Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I just wanted to talk a little bit about Pennington's annual ryegrass. I know some of you are probably thinking about doing your winter overseed and you're starting to look at ryegrass and trying to figure out what direction you really want to go. So I figured I would make a little video here for you about what I think about Pennington's annual ryegrass. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing that I really like about Pennington's annual ryegrass, it's available at all the big brand stores. So like Home Depot. And a lot of people are more comfortable going to those stores to buy their lawn care products. So that makes it just a little bit more accessible. This Pennington's annual ryegrass is a very affordable way to figure out what type of ryegrass you like to do. So when you're trying to figure out, do I want to do annual? Do I want to do perennial? Do I want to do a more affordable option? Do I want to do the most expensive option? Am I going for more of a turf field look, or am I going for more, I just want my lawn to look green? So what I suggest is start with this. It's the most, I shouldn't say most, it's a very affordable way to get into this type of lawn season, and then create your own feedback from there. Now, with this type of ryegrass, I will say it's good. I like it. It worked just fine for me. Very easy to just get it out on the lawn, get it going. It did just fine. However, I would say do at least the bag recommendation or more for your application rate. I did my lawn with the 50-pound bag, and I have 6,500 square feet. So 50 pounds divided by 6,500, and then multiply that by 1,000. That'll give you your bag rate, your application rate per 1,000 square feet. So as you can see, mine was about 7.7 pounds per 1,000. The bag rate that Pennington recommends is 10 pounds per 1,000. So I went a little bit on the thinner side, and I will say it showed in some areas. Now, I didn't actually keep that ryegrass at a lower cut. I was more closer to the 2-inch range than I had been in a previous season. So if you're gonna go with a low cut, you're gonna have to go with a higher application rate, because the shorter it is, the less it'll be able to hide those thin spots. So keep that in mind when you're trying to figure out how much of this ryegrass do you actually need. Now, another thing is, it doesn't really matter. So kind of talking to everybody who's got like warm season turf, this isn't really a cool season, your permanent lawn talk. This is overseeding your warm season turf. Now, down here in Texas, it doesn't matter if you put down annual or perennial ryegrass, it'll all go away as soon as the temperatures start reaching mid-80s, because nothing can really, that ryegrass can't really survive in our summer temperatures here. So just keep that in mind. If you're like, well, it says perennial, so it should come back every year. Not in Texas. It doesn't do it in Texas. It'll die off, because I've put perennial down before and I've put annual down, and both of them didn't make it as soon as the summer temperatures started setting in. So keep that in mind as well. But yeah, that's pretty much just kind of my thoughts on Pennington's annual ryegrass. It's a good beginner stage grass, in my opinion, to figure out if you like to do winter ryegrass seasons. It's an affordable way to get into it, and then it'll provide you with some feedback of how you want to take it in the future. If you want to move up to a more expensive type, whatever you want to do, it does provide that feedback for you. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a comment down below, especially if you have any experience in this or any recommendations for anybody, because if people were coming to this video, they probably want to read, does this stuff work? What are other people's thoughts, just besides mine, about this product? So thank you guys so much. We'll catch you in the next video.